Welcome to Auto Motorhome, your go-to channel for all things RV. Today, we're thrilled to introduce the latest marvel in luxury travel, the 2025 Rare RV's Motorhome. Cut to a close-up of the Motorhome's exterior, highlighting its aerodynamic design and premium finish. Narrator: the 2025 model redefines opulence on wheels, combining cutting-edge technology with unparalleled comfort. Transition to the driver's cockpit, showcasing plush leather seats and a state-of-the-art dashboard. Narrator: step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit designed for both functionality and style. The ergonomic leather seats ensure comfort during long drives, while the advanced digital dashboard provides all the information you need at a glance. Zoom in on the digital dashboard displaying navigation, speed, and other metrics. Narrator: equipped with a multifunction digital dash and instrumentation display system, the 2025 Rare RV's Motorhome ensures you're always in control. The integrated navigation system, complemented by a passenger side monitor, makes route planning effortless. Cut to the living area, featuring a spacious layout with modern furnishings. Narrator: the main living area offers a perfect blend of luxury and practicality. With ample seating, including 2 sofas, one of which converts into an extra bed, there's space for relaxation and entertainment. Focus on the entertainment center with a large flat-screen TV and sound system. Narrator: entertainment is at your fingertips with a smart HD TV and integrated Bluetooth sound system, ensuring you can enjoy your favorite shows and music wherever you roam. Transition to the kitchen area, highlighting stainless steel appliances and quartz countertops. Narrator: the kitchen is a culinary enthusiast's dream. Outfitted with high-end stainless steel appliances, including a large oven, 3-burner range, and a residential microwave, meal preparation is a breeze. The solid surface quartz countertops provide ample workspace, and the single-basin stainless steel undermount sink adds a touch of elegance. Show the dining area with a stylish table and chairs. Narrator: adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area offers a comfortable space to enjoy your meals, with options for a traditional table and chairs or a cozy booth dinette. Move to the bedroom, showcasing a king-sized bed and luxurious decor. Narrator: retreat to the master bedroom, where a king-sized bed with an adjustable power base awaits. The room is adorned with hardwood cabinetry and offers ample storage, ensuring a restful night's sleep. Highlight the master bathroom with a spa-like bathtub and modern fixtures. Narrator: the ensuite master bathroom is nothing short of a personal spa. Featuring a Kohler underscore massaging tub, hydrotherapy and vibroacoustic sound waves that